And with that, we all know that it all starts with palarong pambansa, Batang Pinoy. What are your thoughts about developing the grassroots more? No? Because it's the PSC that has, for now, the capability to finance, organize, of course, with the LGUs and DepEd, and also the NSAs. Like for example, Batang Pinoy is a perfect venue for young athletes to show their skills. But after that, it's just once a year. No? Then palaro, twice a year lang. So others, they continue to train and compete. But later on, for example, in boxing, dahil wala ng regional championships by the NSAs, wala ng national open by the NSAs, nagpupunta na agad ng pro. Even the Cebuanos, they tell us, wala naman kaming sasalihan sa national, sa regional. We don't have the chance to join the national team. Marami kami ditong boxers. So, is this a good move now for the PSC to sit down with NSAs wherein we have more chances of winning in the Olympics, like in weightlifting, gymnastics, even boxing? So ano po yung thoughts?
You know, my trip to the Olympics, I really took advantage. You know, after watching all the Philippines athletes perform, I did take advantage and go around to all the other sports. So there's a lot of sports that I felt na bakit tayo wala dito. Okay, one example is the speed climbing. I was thinking, bakit wala tayo dito? For athletics, for javelin, for discus, why can't we find a Filipino that can actually perform this? I thought, thinking, while watching and thinking, I was like, why? I thought it was like, kailangan malaking babae, malaking lalaki, but there was a female USA athlete who won the gold medal. Na maliit lang siya pero fit, and I realized it's more of technique. Okay, it's my 2 cents. More of technique in teaching these athletes how to throw the discus. And then I kept me thinking that, do we have these coaches to actually teach these athletes? Does the Philippines have these coaches? Okay, if not, then we'll have to actually discuss with the NSAs and to hire at least coaches who know the sport and pass the knowledge. The key muna is basically our coaches. All right, I did go to swimming. I took down times of everyone, like what time that we should actually beat. Kayla reached the semis, but when it got to the semis, then it was a different ballgame. Gerald, right from the start, it was a different scenario already. So we're kind of far behind. I know I was able to watch the national swimming competition here. So the time is basically to look for the next athletes that can actually be part of our national team. All right, grassroots. We are going to focus on grassroots. Yes, you mentioned Batang Pinoy. Yes, you mentioned DepEd, Palarong Pambansa. Yes, you mentioned the PNG, which is 18 and above. That's where all the kids should actually perform kasi kasama na rin yung mga national players there. So that's the kind of NSH will look at for their national training pool. Okay, we also have to support the NSAs, but it just can't be NSA's grassroots, PSC's grassroots. I keep saying this, we should actually help each other and have one grassroots. We also have to support other events like the Brisa, Squad. There's so many events that we actually have to support so we can find that next athlete. I'm asking also help from the UAAP and NSA. It's about time that we actually grow our sports. With performing well in Olympics, I've heard that now the UAAP is planning to put gymnastics in the UAAP. So I'm just asking that it shouldn't take to win a medal to actually introduce another sport for the UAAP and NSA. It is needed. We have 80 sports. and how can PSC or how can NSA grow their sports, the popularity of our sports when there is actually no events, there's no facilities. So it's a collaboration again. PSC can't do this alone. It's a collaboration of the POC, PSC, NSA, and all the local UAP, NCA, RISA, I can go down the line. Okay, so we actually, as a Philippine nation, should actually help each other and support sports.
Takes the nation to have champions. Yes, Chairman. After the success at the Paris Olympic Games, how do you see the more increase in financial support para sa Team Philippines? Tapos na yung budget for this year, no? For next year, probably for the next na, no? Sa mga deliberation, or maybe there are senators, congressmen na mas lalo pa ngayon lumapit sa PSC to give financial support.
I thank all the legislators. I won't mention all the senators, but the legislators for supporting PSC and for supporting our athletes. They will continue to support, and just on the event in Malacanang, PAGCOR approached me, and then we will sit down when I get back from the Paralympics. I'll be back. I'm leaving on the 27th, and I'll be back on the 6th. And hopefully I get to meet PAGCOR on how we can actually help PSC more.
Speaking of PAGCOR, no schedule yet for the incentives. Di ba yung through 10-6-9?
Yeah, we gave it na po in the Malacanang.
Sabay-sabay na.
Gusto ni Presidente na ibigay lahat during that night.
Okay, thank you. Cristel Sababan.